You want to dance? Uh-oh.
I like it.
You like it?
Sucking. Like cooking.
No, on the light.
Hot cake. Every day. Every day. Birthday.
Did you
Okay.
bring me some coffee from your party?
Okay, sorry, buddy. Here.
Up.
No, you can't go up.
Up.
Can I have a party with you?
No, but
Okay, Nanny will have a party by herself. David.
Refrigerator. All right.